Here we want to go for one discussion of theory. In that particular theory, we can find that a relative speed is important for time speed distance kind of problem. If two of them, let's say one of the object is moving from here in that direction, it is object 1. Another object from the same location, it has started and moving in the same direction with some higher speed. This is one type of case that we need to understand. Let me consider it is as case 1. Let's say this speed is v1 and this speed is v2. Now whenever they are moving in the same direction, it is nothing but movement in same direction with different speed. Then we can write relative speed of separation or approach for second one with respect to first one. It is nothing but higher speed minus lower speed. If the higher speed object is moving from back one to catch this lower speed, so definitely relative speed of approach I will say. If higher speed one is moving apart, then it is called separation. This way we can find, and it would be the difference. Same thing, if I check it out for case 2, where they are moving in the opposite direction. Like let one of it is moving from here to that direction, another of it is moving from this part to that direction. And if I am considering that, let's say this is v1 and this is v2, then the same thing I will write for relative speed of approach. It would be nothing but v1 plus v2, sum of the speeds. Now after considering that these case 1 and case 2, if I check it out for our train kind of problem, we know in case of train, man, platform, we can find in these three cases what happened. Let a particular train, this is a train which is moving in that direction, and it is a rail line, and train is moving in that direction. Now what happened? If a person is standing here, and the train is moving, so it will take how much time to cross the man? That depends on its length. If the length of the train is L, whenever it is crossing, then how much time it would take? It would be taking time which is nothing but L by the speed of the train. It will be the time taken. Now again we see some other kind. Let's say consider the train, and again another, this is one train, and let's say this is another train. These two train, and there is a, sorry, let me draw this one. This is the train, and this is the two rail lines. Let's say here it moves. Now what happened? this train moving in that direction and this is moving in opposite direction. Then I need to apply that V1 plus V2 and as well as their total distance. This length, if I am considering L1 and this is L2, then L1 plus L2 is the total length divided by their speed. Let it is V1, it is V2, then V1 plus V2, it would be the time to cross each other. This way, opposite direction, if it is same direction, as per that, it would be minus. These we need to consider. These are the different things we need to take it out in this case. Whenever it is a platform, it is also a length, but it is stationary. At the time, it is not moving. So this type of concepts we have to apply for our relative speed and crossover of train kind of concepts, theory.